Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a piece of gear that I got recently. I'm not a total gearhead and I don't do a lot of review videos or anything on YouTube, but I like to at least just dive in and watch other people as they explain what they've gotten and as they unbox things and stuff. And this is a piece that I'm hoping will be a big help to some of the live stream things that I do, just some of the blogging content that I do as I do blog previews for what I do on YouTube here, and also get into podcasting a little bit, things like that. It is the G Track Pro USB microphone. It's by Samson, and if you look at the box it came in, this is what the actual microphone looks like, and it is actually pretty heavy duty. It's probably about 10 inches tall and very, very heavy. It comes with this stand, and both the microphone and the stand are pretty durable feeling. It has options for recording either a cardioid pattern, which is just right in front of the microphone, just kind of not so much to the sides of the back, and the pickup pattern is right in front. Otherwise, the figure eight pattern, which you can have another person on the other side, and perhaps you're doing an interview or a guest on a podcast or something like that, you can sit across from each other. And then there's also an omni pattern, which you can have all around pickup all around the microphone. So perhaps you're in a room, you just want to get a group of instruments, group of artists or whatever, kind of get the whole room experience. You can do that. So those are right there, the switch to select those. You can also track two things at once, so you can do microphone plus a line input there. It seems like a really good piece of equipment, and I'm anxious to dig into it. I have tried a few things recently, and I actually had something that I sold a couple months ago that I was trying to get again because it seemed like it was a very good piece of gear after I tried some other things out, and I wasn't able to really locate it recently here. And I know there's been just a lot of things delayed as far as production and shipment. And I've also done a few microphones where they insert into the 1/8 inch headphone jack of my iPhone, which is just an iPhone 6s, but it seems like I was always getting a little bit of noise in that line, as far as like crackling or popping or something like that was just kind of enough to be an annoyance, and it seemed like it rendered the microphone really not super useful. So I am looking forward to trying this out, and a lot of what you'll hear on this channel is probably going to be through this piece of equipment. And so I'd love to get your feedback if you've been using one at all, or if you have any tips. I'm kind of a very basic software guy, so if I'm going to use something, it's probably just going to be into voice memos or GarageBand, just finding the right tweaks to hopefully help it to sound good, especially like a podcast is getting kind of a rich, good vocal for a male speaker. And I'm just excited of all the possibilities that are in this thing. It's not a super portable thing, so it's not something you're going to go take with you on the go and try to record stuff, especially just real quick vlogging moments. But I think it will be good for just those moments where you want to record something, you're just sitting down, you've got a guitar, you want to sing, you want to talk, you want to interview somebody else. So hope you guys are well, and hope this is a blessing for you. Check out the other videos that are on my page, and just the content that we're sharing. We're always posting new things, and this is a ministry under the ministry of Derek Charles Johnson, and As Bold as Lions blogs and devotionals and just other teachings. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and God bless.